welcome to another episode of How You Can Do It Too. In this episode, we're going to be making my grandson Deuce here wants to make a ninja throwing star. So we're going to give it a try, and he's going to tend to the fire and all that, and we'll see how it comes out. All right, we're going to hammer out about 6 inches of, make it a flat stock. Tender. Right there. Look how hot that is. Okay, go ahead and get it out and hold it over this little hole. Wow, that's really going hot. Back it up, back it up. There we go. Flip it over. Oh, hold on. Let me flatten it out. Stick it over the hole. I think we got it.
We got it.
Pull it down so I can. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to cut it off here, and then we're going to make one more. Alright, now I'm going to cut it off. The same distance. All right, one down. All right, so we're going to go ahead and make another one just like this, and then we'll start putting it together. Okay. We got both holes done. Now what I'm going to do is take this 1/4 inch round stock. I'm going to start rounding it about 3/4 inches, just kind of barely cut into it where I can snap it off. Get it how you want it. Get it how you want it. Fire's down. Is that where you want it? Mm-hmm. All right, let's give this a go. Lower. Hold it flat. Hold it flat. A little way. See where we're going with it? Mm-hmm. All right, Deuce, go ahead. Wait, Deuce, get away from the camera. Get to the side so people can see you doing. All right, go ahead. And don't stand above it. Just stick it right in the water.
Boiling, really.
Yeah.
It's good. Bring it out.
All right, let's show them what it looks like right now, Deuce, with the rivet. Let me see. Oh, that's hot. It's still hot. There it is with the rivet. Now what we're going to do, we're going to grind some points on it. Okay, hold it.
We kind of rough. Come on, smell over that fire.
I got to make sure it's not going to go in your face. There's going to be a little bit of a process, so you get the concept what we're doing, and we'll show you the completed.
I hope the hole in it.
All right, here's what we got so far. All right, Deuce the Ninja Master is going to try out our new ninja star he made. All right, go for it, Deuce. Look at there. Wait a minute, don't pull it out yet. All right. Did you have fun making that?
Yes.
Deuce. Hey, look, Deuce trying out. Chubbs, get down, damn it.